friends and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to teach your child to read. You know that early reading is very important, and that's why you have come across this channel and this video, right? So you know through early reading your child is likely to have more knowledge of words. He is likely to come across and be exposed to more words and can have a fairly decent vocabulary as compared to his peers, and a very good head start in as far as academics is concerned. So what do you think? When can a child learn to read? Like, when do you think the child is able to read? The child is generally able to read when it is in K2, that is upper KG, higher KG, or in first standard. Yes, and that is when the child has crossed 6 or 7 years of age. So that is the time when the child can actually, you can say that they can read. But what if I tell you that you can teach your child to read at an early age of 2 or 3 years? It seems shocking at first, but believe me, it's true. And by this, I don't mean sight reading. Sight reading is not advisable because by sight reading, the child just remembers the shape of the word, and whenever it comes across another word, a new word, the child is not able to read. And sight reading can be taught to a child as young as few months old. So here I am not talking about sight reading. I am talking about how to learn to read phonetically. Read phonetically means to read by decoding the alphabets. So let's get started. Okay, so step 1 is to teach alphabet sounds. And to teach alphabet sounds, you can use some flashcards like this or this, or you can even make your own flashcards. Like initially I had made these flashcards, and you just have to show your child and just need to flash few cards like this: A, B, D, A, D, and so on. And this speed has to be like this only, so that the child can understand the letter sounds. And you don't have to say the letter names. Most of the parents do this mistake. They teach their child the letter name, and especially because of that rhyme A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and that's wrong. You first have to teach them alphabet sounds. Only then they can decode the word. For example, if a child knows C is K, A is A, and T is T, so the child will be able to decode cat and not C-A-T, cat. Right? C-A-T, cat is, that means you are trying to write the words, and at is you are trying to decode the word, so that whenever another word comes in front of a child, the child is able to decode it. Okay, so that is step number 1. And if you don't want to use the flashcards, there is a very simple way. There is a very good video by Miss JDA, and I will link it below in the description box, don't worry. And only thing you need to do is show that video twice or thrice a day to your child, and bingo, your child will be able to understand and learn the letter sounds. So that's that easy. Okay, so now going to step 2. Step 2 is to follow any English primer, and that too is available free, and I'll link it below. But it is not easy to just follow the English primer, especially for a parent who is doing the homeschooling for the first time. So what's the solution now? You can follow my channel. Yes, that's a perfect solution, because in my channel I have given you step by step, in detail, in actual, showing you in actual how I have taught my 3-year-old to read. And if you follow those steps, believe me, your child will be able to read at least 5-letter words by only completing few steps. And believe me, my child is 3+ and he can read 5-letter words currently. In my channel, I have given you 12 steps which are yet to be completed. It's still in process. But even till if you complete step 12, your child will be able to read 5-letter words and few books too. I have made these handmade books like this, which I am going to show you, which are better if you use initially than the market ones, because market books have too many of sight words. So I'll show you the now how I have made these books and how my child is reading it. So the only thing before that I want to tell you is, if you want your child to start reading early, which is much beneficial for any children, please follow my channel. Believe me, the steps are very easy, and you won't even realize when your child will have just started reading 4 or 5-letter words in a matter of few days only. Yes, so now let's check out these books. I made these books stepwise. For example, you can see here, this is a book, and here it is written step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, and so on. So why I have made these books stepwise is that because if you go through each step, there are few words step by step, which, for example, we start with CVC words, and later on we go to twin consonant endings, twin consonant beginning, and so on. So why I have made this book is, for example, this book on step 4 covers almost all the words, all the CVC words. You can see here. And if you see step 5, this is a step where you teach your child to read 4-letter words, plural words. For example, 1 cup, 2 cups. So cups is a 4-letter word, plural, sip from a cup. So this includes all the words which a child needs to learn in step 5. Please ignore the drawing because I am not that good in drawing. So please excuse me. This is step 6. Step 6 says the words covers all the words that end with twin consonants. For example, a bell fell. So L is the twin consonant, the words that end with twin consonants. And from here step 7 starts. I am yet to make step 6, one more book on step 6. Here step 7 covers all the words that start with a double consonant. For example, kr, tr, fr, gr, and so on. Let's see, you can see kr, crab, trap, brick, drip, drop, drum, frog, Fred. You can see all these words. So these are the words that are covered in step 7. I am yet to make books on step 8, 9, 10, and so on. But I'll let you know once I make them. So I request you to follow those steps. That is an easiest method. Believe me, it's an easiest method, you will realize. And in a couple of days your child will be able to read and you will be really surprised. Believe me, those are the easiest steps. I have searched through so many of YouTube videos. Although I found some channels helpful, I have taken some good ideas from those channels, but I have tried to make these steps very easy. So I think currently this is one of the method that I have prepared after going through most of the videos and made these easy steps for your child to learn reading easily. So yeah, happy learning, happy educating, happy homeschooling. See you, bye.